Welcome to Learn with Rensha, Learning English channel.
Asking someone to sit. Rude. Sit down. Neutral. Take a seat. Polite. Please be seated. Why is this machine not working? Rude. It's broken. Figure it out yourself. Neutral. It seems to have a technical problem. Polite. It appears there's a technical issue. Let me check it for you. Asking someone to close the door. Rude. Shut the door. Neutral. Close the door. Polite. Could you please close the door? Where is my report? Rude. How should I know? Neutral. I'm not sure where it is. Polite. I'm not certain, but I can help you look for it. Asking someone to hand you something. Rude. Give me that. Neutral. Hand it to me. Polite. Could you hand that to me, please? What time will you finish? Rude. When I feel like it. Neutral. I should be done soon. Polite. I expect to finish shortly. I'll let you know once it's ready. Asking someone to move aside. Rude. Move. Neutral. Step aside. Polite. Would you mind stepping aside? Why did you change this file? Rude. Because I wanted to. Neutral. I changed it earlier. Polite. I made some updates. Would you like me to explain them? Asking someone to hurry. Rude. Hurry up. Neutral. Speed up. Polite. Could you please hurry a little? When can you help me with this? Rude. Not now. Neutral. I can help you later. Polite. I'd be happy to help. When would be a good time for you? Asking someone to be quiet. Rude. Stop talking. Neutral. Be quiet. Polite. Could you please lower your voice? Why is the order delayed? Rude. That's not my problem. Neutral. The order is running late. Polite. The order is delayed. Let me check the reason for you. Asking for the bill. Rude. Give me the bill. Neutral. Bring the bill. Polite. Could I have the bill, please? Where did you put my folder? Rude. I didn't take your folder. Neutral. I think I left it on the desk. Polite. I believe I placed it on the desk. Shall I help you look? Asking someone to pay attention. Rude. Listen. Neutral. Pay attention. Polite. Could you please pay attention? What are you doing right now? Rude. None of your business. Neutral. I'm working on something. Polite. I'm currently working on a task. How can I assist you? Asking someone to wait. Rude. Wait. Neutral. Hold on. Polite. Could you wait a moment, please? Why didn't you reply to my message? Rude. I ignored it. Neutral. I didn't see it. Polite. I'm sorry. I must have missed it. I'll respond now. Asking for someone's name. Rude. Give me your name. Neutral. Tell me your name. Polite. May I have your name, please? When will this be completed? Rude. It's done when it's done. Neutral. It will be completed soon. Polite. It should be completed shortly. I'll keep you updated.
Asking someone to send something. Rude. Send it. Neutral. Send it now. Polite. Could you please send it when you have a moment? Why is the meeting taking so long? Rude. Because everything is slow today. Neutral. It's running a bit longer than expected. Polite. It's taking a little longer than planned. Thank you for your patience. Telling someone to stop. Rude. Stop it. Neutral. Stop that. Polite. Could you please stop doing that? Who is responsible for this task? Rude. Not me. Neutral. Someone in the team is handling it. Polite. A team member is responsible. I can find out who if you'd like. Asking for water. Rude. Give me water. Neutral. Get me some water. Polite. Could I have some water, please? How does this tool work? Rude. Just figure it out. Neutral. It works with these steps. Polite. I can explain how it works. Would you like a quick walkthrough? Asking someone to move their car. Rude. Move your car. Neutral. Shift your car. Polite. Could you please move your car? Why is this so expensive? Rude. That's the price. Deal with it. Neutral. The cost is a bit high. Polite. It's priced higher due to its features. Would you like more details? Asking someone to inform you. Rude. Tell me. Neutral. Let me know. Polite. Could you please let me know? When can I get the results? Rude. Whenever they're ready. Neutral. You'll get them soon. Polite. You should receive the results shortly. I'll notify you. Asking someone to look at something. Rude. Look here. Neutral. Look at this. Polite. Could you please take a look at this? Where are you going? Rude. Why do you care? Neutral. I'm heading out for a bit. Polite. I'm stepping out briefly. Shall I bring you anything? Asking someone to complete a task. Rude. Do it. Neutral. Get it done. Polite. Could you please do this for me? Why did you make that mistake? Rude. Because I wasn't paying attention. So what? Neutral. I made an error earlier. Polite. I made a mistake. I apologize. I'll correct it right away. Asking someone to leave. Rude. Go away. Neutral. Leave. Polite. Could you please give me a moment alone? How long will it take to fix this? Rude. It'll take forever. Neutral. It might take some time. Polite. It may take a little time, but I'll fix it as quickly as possible. Asking someone to stop complaining. Rude. Stop complaining. Neutral. Quit complaining. Polite. Could you please try not to complain? What happened to the project? Rude. It fell apart. Neutral. There were some issues. Polite. There were a few challenges, but I'm working on resolving them. Asking someone to answer. Rude. Answer me. Neutral. Reply now. Polite. Could you please reply when you can? When can you send the file? Rude. I'll send it when I want to. Neutral. I'll send it later. Polite. I'll send the file shortly. Thank you for your patience.